Good morning, new week, new us, and I'm always a bit nervous if a new week starts, but this week will be short because of Good Friday. You're gonna fuel it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna fuel the car.
Awesome, and I'm gonna show you straight away which tractor I get now. Well, the tractor is the same, but now I have to pull this thingy behind it. It's called a rake. My god, I'm a bit nervous because I actually don't know yet what to do, but my boss will show me in a minute. Bye. Alright, I'm back on the tractor, and now I have, oh, can you see it? No, not really. The brake behind me. It's different than spreading, but it's quite easy as well. So yeah, that will be my day today.
Big tractor day today again.
It's 6 p.m. now and I'm still working. I'm waiting for Joey, so I hope he will be finished soon. But I just wanted to show you this incredible sky. It's crazy. It's like it's on fire or something, but it's not. It's bloody hot today. It's like 39 degrees. Do you know what? But it's also very, very windy. So there's like a, what are we doing? Like the tractor ban. Is it a tractor ban?
It's like a working ban. I mean, you're not allowed to move any vehicles because of dust or potential fires.
Yep, that's the case at the moment. So we are back to fencing. Yeah, that. And that's why we are having lunch here, because it's quite hot and it's good to have a break in between. This arrived a parcel from the Netherlands. I asked my parents to send some books in Dutch because I really love to read. And I can read in English, but then I have the feeling I can't like relax because I'm constantly thinking, yeah, what's written and yeah. Oh, I can't open it. So that's why I asked for Dutch books. And I can't open it. Fail. Do we have scissors?
We have.
Oh, wait, maybe I can open it here. Can I open it? Don't know. Thank you. I have no idea where to open it. I'm always worried that parcels don't arrive if it's from a different country because of the border security. Maybe you know it from television. And yeah, that always scares me. It's not that this is illegal, but still. Yay! So this is book one. I've already read part one, so those ones are, yeah, 2 and 3. Awesome! And I really love the first one, so I'm curious about reading the second one. Can't wait! My god! Love it! Thanks, Mom and Dad! Some people ask me why I use this fly net. Super fancy. Well, can you see how many flies are on my fly net at the moment? It's pretty annoying. I've never thought that there will be so many flies in Australia. Those are the stories you never hear before you go to a country, but it's crazy. Look, my god. And if I wouldn't use this one, they would be in my eyes, in my nose, and in my mouth, even in my ear. I hate it, so that's why I use this one. Beautiful, right?
They're all on your back.
Oh,
The flies. That's how it is to work on a station or on a farm.
beautiful.
Yes.
Yes. A perfect ending for a very hot day.
It is.
It is. But we're halfway through the week. Awesome.
Almost Easter weekend.
Yes, woohoo! 4 days off. Happy days. Good morning. You see me? Yeah. Awesome. Alright, today it's Thursday and our last day of this week because we only have a short week. Tomorrow is Good Friday and I'm on the old tractor today. They are working on the cedar, which I haven't filmed yet. Tried to do that today. I'm sorry guys, but I was fairly busy. So this is the old tractor, no computer whatsoever. So only manual steering, and look at those handles. It's quite old, but luckily I have air conditioning and a radio, so that's good. This is the cedar. It's huge. It's weekend! Woo-hoo!
Even better, holidays, Easter, 4 days off.
Awesome! Alright, we wanted to close the vlog because we are going to camp this weekend.
Yes, we're going to the Sterling Ranges for a day.
Yes.
Maybe do some hiking.
Definitely.
Hopefully, fingers crossed, the weather will be alright because
Yeah.
it might be a bit cloudy, but we'll see.
Yes. We wanted to make a separate vlog of the camp, like camping.
Yeah.
How we do camping and all that. We might do a paid campground, how we do it on paid campground and like free camping. But on the radio they said it's very, very busy this Easter. So we're not sure if we can do free camping, but
Yeah.
we will see. So, well, see you next time. And if you like this vlog, thumbs up and subscribe. See ya!
See you!